Okay, so we'll start with the suitcase. This is a traveler's choice. I found it on Amazon. It was a set that also included a carry-on. This is the checked luggage, so it's bigger. And my mom got it for me for Christmas. So let's open her up. Ta-da! She's already like 35 pounds. I've got some Fig Newton bars that my husband likes as a snack in the room. Some pins that we are good to trade. These are some of like my socks and my panties. And then here we have masks. We're doing 2 different types of masks. Let me open this up a little bit. So we had these made a while ago. These are like your standard cloth mask. And then we also bought paper masks. 2 different reasons. One reason being they're saying now that the Omicron it doesn't get through these as easily as it does those. I don't know. I don't know that anybody knows for sure. But you have to wear a mask regardless. So, and this way also, if one starts rubbing funny, this one will not. Or, you know, they'll rub in different places. These are like Caroline's. Sean and I wear just the plain black. So we have those. And if I take this and open these up, you can see some of our clothing. Husband packed after I did, so his stuff's on top, except for these leggings because I am an overpacker by nature, and I'm trying not to be, but it is what it is. I've shown you guys some of our custom shirts before. There's one of them. This is for my Disney-bound Elsa Day. I had also seen a thing saying that you should bring these little stuffed animals to the park and then the characters sign the foot. And then when you have them on a display, you're seeing the autograph. Actually, I can take that out because they're not doing autographs. Yay, COVID. And then under here is the rest of my clothes. So you can see it's pretty deep. It holds a lot. I'm opting to use this zipped pouch for like our medicines and stuff that like if for some reason it explodes on the plane, it won't get all over everything. Lots and lots of YouTube tricks say that you should bring gallon-sized Ziploc bags. If your clothes get wet, you can fold them up and throw them in there, all that kind of good stuff. No, we're not sick, but with Caroline's asthma, we talked to her doctor and he gave her a prescription just in case she starts to feel sick. So we're bringing that. Got my little travel size deodorant, extra contacts. I love this company. It's like $18 for this box. They're daily use. I use them for more than a day. Pepto just in case. This is what Caroline uses and we found some sample sized. So I figured that would be better to travel with. Throw this back in here. If I get a headache, nothing takes it away like ibuprofen. And I know you can get a lot of this stuff in the gift shop or wherever, but why not just bring it? Contact solution. We don't leave until the morning, so I'm gonna put the case and stuff in there, and our toothbrushes and our hairbrushes. This is a little first aid kit that I got at Target for like $3. It just has some band-aids and stuff. Caroline fell and scraped her knee last time while we were walking around the resort, and it was nice to have bandages. Now, I am not in any way a pro when it comes to travels. However, I've got more of Sean's stuff here, and then this is one of my overnight bags, and it's, as you can tell, empty because with Southwest we get 2 checked bags. So I can always check this on the way home, or I can use it as carry-on. This is Caroline's princess dress for the day she dresses up as a princess. And then I thought her shoes were under it. Oh, there's her shoes. Her shoes are smushed in here. So she has her fancy shoes with her fancy dress. And that seals up real nicely. Okay, so this is the carry-on case that matches. It was a set. I specifically picked that one because of this. It has the USB port in it, and I already have a battery pack in there. So you do have to have your own battery pack, but then it goes in there and you can charge your phone or whatever while you are waiting at the airport. Open this up. This thing is essentially empty right now. We did that on purpose. The point of that was so that, again, it's more free space for bringing stuff home. Battery packs do need to be in your carry-on. So these are all my extra chargers. I gotta add another one of the charging cords to this. I have my other pair of gym shoes in case the pair that I have is rubbing funny. And then actually what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take some of this out because I'm gonna take some of this out of here, put it into this one. Not because I need it, but because our winter jackets, we're gonna put those in the checked luggage because we won't need them once we land. But then we will definitely need them when we're coming home. I think what will be easiest is if I put these other like empty bags and stuff in here because these will have to be checked, TSA checked, which is wonderful. I love the TSA. I do not mind the security checks. I do not mind if you want to pull me out of line and pat me down. All I want is for our flight to be safe. So I think I'm going to move that stuff into here. That will keep this still pretty light. And then, yeah, then we'll have room to roll our coats up and shove them in that one. We'll be able to zip that up as we're checking in and we'll be good to go. I don't know how necessary the luggage tags are. I always have one on just in case, and it helps it make it a little bit more recognizable. Like for sure, I know it's mine. There's the set together. This guy will get our hairbrushes and last minute stuff tomorrow that we can't pack today. I'm gonna go put those by the door so that they are ready to go. They also have the all direction wheels, which maybe that's totally common at this point. I don't buy a whole lot of luggage. So I was super excited about it that I don't have to lean it up or anything. Oh, this is our umbrella stroller. Caroline is almost 8. So she probably doesn't need it, but we're bringing it just in case. Here's her suitcase. I helped her pack up her clothes, but I gave her a lot of freedom in choosing. She wants a park bag like I have. So she's using one of her old backpacks. This is my park bag. It doesn't have much in it at all right now. It's where I keep my ID, our gift cards, the birth certificate. This is a little wallet I got at Express a few years back. We have to pull out some cash for tips. That'll go in there. This is my gift card. I've got my total written on it. That'll be for food and souvenirs. I know I said give birth certificates. I always carry a copy of Caroline's birth certificate with me because I'm scared that somebody's gonna be like, is she really yours? And then I can be like, yeah, she's mine, I promise. These are our magic bands. I showed you guys once before. We got new ones for this year. And then in the park bag itself right now when we get to the park, it'll have souvenirs and stuff in it. We are traveling with friends who have never flown before. So they're 2 little girls. I made them each a little bag of stuff from the dollar store. And then I got this for Caroline. I'm gonna give this to her tonight. That way she can decide if she wants to carry it or like what parts of it she wants. These have a lot of packaging. So right now the stuff that she's choosing to bring in her park bag is mostly for the airplane. Winter Magic, and she's got like 3 or 4 Barbie dolls in here. So I'm also hoping that if we give her this one, I can talk her out of a couple of those. And then she loves her fanny pack. I have mine packed as well. She's got her own wallet in there. Her money is already loaded into the wallet. Her gift card is loaded into the wallet. It makes me a little bit nervous, but she really is a pretty responsible kid. So I'm gonna try and let go a little bit. Now inside these, what I've done for the girls, they are ages 6 and going on 4, I think. So I got them just like these little squishies, a little notebook, some stickers, some Play-Doh that is scented, a chapstick. They got a pack of gum, just little things, some crayons. And all I did was I went to the dollar store and I thought, what are things that would occupy me on a plane that aren't gonna make a big mess, aren't gonna make a lot of noise, and if they lose them, if they throw them away, it's really not a big deal. So I bought like one package of crayons and split it, one package of the Play-Doh and split it, that kind of stuff. And then even the bag is from the Dollar Tree. And this, I actually had thought that I could fit 3 for each kid in their packets, their little bags. So I have some extras. Figured once we're on the plane, it doesn't matter. They can play with those. And yeah, I think that's about it. This stuff is all waiting by the door. We have to go get gas. We'll bring you with me to get some gas. We got to empty out a few of the things that are in the trunk. And then we can load up. We're going to be going to bed about 7:30 tonight so that we can be up at 2 a.m. to leave the house by 3. I was going to take you guys with me to the gas station, but it has been sub-zero for like days. And the deck wasn't terrible, but the landing was clear ice. And I fell so hard that I split my pants. So this is what we're leaving. Like, what are we at? 12, 13, 14 hours from now. This should all be gone. True. Sean said it'll still be here, but we'll be gone. Oh God. I can't wait for that. You guys.
You have no idea the temptation.
I just reached back to the hole in my sweatpants and was like, why does that feel like skin? I fell so hard, I busted my sweatpants and my underwear. Okay, so I am recomposed after the fall. I wanted to take a shower before we go to bed tonight anyway, so I'm fresh in the morning. So I did that, and I don't like to leave the house without cleaning. Plus, we have my sister coming to the house to look after the kittens for us while we're gone. Thank you, sister. So like, I don't want her to come in and us have like a dirty house. Plus, after a week away, you come back and you want to be relaxed still, right? Like, you don't want to come home to dishes and laundry and messes. So I have the kitchen still to clean, and then I'm going to vacuum the stairs and the basement, change the litter boxes, and then I can go to bed. And we're doing good because it's 5:46, right on target. Okay. You ready for your on the plane present? Yeah. We are about an hour out. Can't do this.
Ooh, this is cool.
She's a stewardess or an airplane pilot.
How do you open this?
Let me see the front of the box. Let YouTube see the front. Ooh, fly girl. Okay, friends, that is it. We will see you. Well, you'll see this tomorrow. I will have more vlogs. If you want to see more up-to-the-minute kind of stuff going on while we're in Disney World, we are going with friends, so that's super, super exciting. I will be posting on Instagram and TikTok, Coronation Creation under both of those platforms as well. And then if I have some good footage and I think about it, I'll post some shorts here, but I'm on vacation. Bye.